Hello, good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Again, this is Santos Capilan Jr. wishing you a good day. Now, this morning, what I'm going to do is explain to you how I was able to prepare my BMS graphics for the car park ventilation system. Now, this car park ventilation system is designed for a basement car parking area. Now, as I said in my previous tutorials, that when the car parking system is in a confined space, you have to provide proper ventilation. Okay, you know the reason for that? We need to vent out these toxic gases in a confined space. Now, what are the components of this car park ventilation system? Actually, in this ventilation system, we have there 7 jet fans, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and one main extraction fan with damper. Okay, so in this damper, I have we have their damper operator. Okay, so when the system is working, this damper should be open, so that is the gases or the carbon monoxide emission from cars will be vented out through these jet fans and will go to the main extraction fan. Okay. Now, what are the points I'm monitoring from jet fans? So, hand of auto status, all the jet fans should be in the automatic status. Then start the stop command, we have the control. By the way, these jet fans and extraction fans are motors with 2 speed, low and high. Okay. So BFD control, BFD feedback. So I'm giving the control to the BFD. Then I must receive the feedback from the BFD. Then flow fail. Okay, as you can see, we installed one differential pressure switch across the fan. So this is the correct installation of differential pressure switch for airflow probing for a specific fan. Now, as you can see, this is the suction side and this is the discharge side. So meaning if you have a differential pressure switch, this switch have 2 probes. So you have to locate the positive probe, install it in the discharge side, and the negative probe should be installed at the suction side. Okay, so this is the proper installation of a differential pressure switch. Okay. Now this differential pressure switch, you have to adjust also the set point. And I'm using here around 200 Pascal differential pressure. So you can change your set point up to 60 to 80 Pascal. So this differential pressure switch will tell the BMS that the jet fan is already delivering or working. The fan is working because even though the motor is working, if the blade or the fan is not working, so it will not deliver air. Okay, but actually this fans are not belt driven. This is the fans are directly connected to the shaft of the motor. Okay. Now what are the points? Trip, run, trip, and flow fail. So flow fail, I'm getting it from the uh, differential pressure switch. Then run status, I'm taking it from the motor control of this jet fan. Just an auxiliary contact from the one of the contactor of the motor control. Okay, so this is the typical BMS points for each jet fan, and also for the main extraction fan, it has the same BMS points. Now I have here my CO sensor. I have 9 CO sensor spread all over the car parking area. Now I'm showing the uh, parts per million of the CO. Okay. Now, in this car parking system, we have 2 scenarios, the normal ventilation and the fire scenario. Now, in the normal ventilation, uh, the jet fans are running in low speed, okay, and also the main extract fan. in the event of high CO concentration in a specific area. Let's say in this CO7, if I have a high concentration here, the program, BMS program is, say, if I've detected 30 ppm of CO concentration in this area, only this jet pan 2 and jet pan 7 will run, then jet pan 4 will run, then jet pan 6 will run. Okay, so this jet pans 2, 7, 4, and 6 will run at high speed so that it will push the CO concentration out of the area. Likewise, if there is 30 and above ppm from the CO3, jet pan 1, jet pan 4, and jet pan 3, and jet pan 5, and jet pan 6 will run at high speed to push this CO concentration here out of the area. So that's how it works. So that is normal ventilation. Now, the air change should be around 6 air change here. Okay, now I already explained what is air change in my previous tutorials. Then that is the one scenario, the normal scenario. During fire, okay, all this equipment, all these jet fans and extract fan will run at high speed. So how it will run at high speed? So during normal ventilation, the speed is 25. These fans are running at 50 hertz. So low speed, it will run at 25 hertz. Okay. High speed, it will run at 50 hertz. Okay. So during normal ventilation, uh, these are running at low speed, so 25 hertz. If there is high concentration of CO, then the corresponding jet fans will run at 50 hertz. Okay. Now, during fire scenario, all these fans will run at 50 hertz, including the main extraction fan. Okay. So this is a typical car parking ventilation system in a confined space. So hopefully I have given you an idea how this system works and how are you going to finalize your BMS graphics for this system. Now, once again, you will be able to finalize your BMS points and finalize your BMS graphics by thoroughly checking the electrical and mechanical specification and all the related IFC drawing and the material submittals for the company that will provide these ventilation fans. Okay, so once again, Santos Capellan is wishing you a good day and saying God bless us all and bye for now.